welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is just going to be a quick unboxing of the Olafus LED Floodlight. This is a pack of 2, and these are very powerful. These are 50-watt RGBCW smart Wi-Fi LED floodlights. Take a look at some of the features here on the packaging. You can see the operation temperature, starting time 0 to 5 seconds, 120 degree beam angle. Also, it does have waterproof IP66, so to be used outdoors, of course. And then you got a diagram of the design, and you can see over here a little bit more information. Color 2700 plus 6000. That's your white range, and then also RGB, which means all the colors of the rainbow. And it's about a 50,000 hour life expectancy with a standard US plug. So let's open these up, take a look at them. I have several smart Wi-Fi lights, get the guarantee card, but not any that are this powerful. 50 watts of power is a lot of power, a lot of light. Turn this sideways so get those out. And here they are. Just pull one out so we can take a look at it. All right, this is it. It is definitely larger than I think the other ones I have are 20 watt. You can see it has sort of a textured diffuser finish on here so that the color is a good solid pattern. You can see your LEDs inside there to produce not only the different colors, but also to be able to mix the warm yellowish white with the cool, more bluish color white to be able to get full temperature range of white color. The back here is pretty simple. It is plastic. Back here, got a cord. I'm going to guess that cord is going to be about maybe 3.5 feet long, it looks like. It does have a standard US plug, so easy to plug in and plug out. On that note, when you are pairing this for the first time using the app, you plug this in, unplug it in, unplug it, plug it in. Same as all the smart lights, although usually you're using a switch and you're turning them on and off, but this doesn't have an on-off switch. You just plug it in, unplug it, plug it in, unplug it, plug it in. And that tells it to go into pairing mode so that you can connect in the app. So just a little tip for you there. You can see it is 50 watts. It is waterproof IP66. You do have this little stand. You could use this to, it has holes, so you could use it to attach to a wall or to whatever you want to attach it to, or you can set it on the ground and use this as a stand to place it on the ground. So you do have the option either way. Obviously the second one's going to be the same as the first one, but since this is an unboxing, we need to unbox everything. So let me just pull that out just so you can see that. And yep, same thing. Same looks to be like a good quality. Of course, I will put it to use and find out for sure. But yeah, that's really everything that comes in the box. You're basically, this is what you're paying for. Paying for the 2 really nice size 50 watts. That's a lot of power. 50 watts RGB, which is all the colors of the rainbow, and CW, which means cool or warm white, and waterproof floodlights by Olafus. Anyway, that's going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. If you have any questions, you can post them down below. But stay tuned for a follow-up video where I'll be doing a full demonstration and review of these lights so you can see them in action and see how they work. Don't forget to favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews, or go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Keep up with all my videos. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.